Hey beauties, so I'm finally back with another video, and in today's video we're going to have a little bit of fun and switch things up a bit with our hair by playing in some hair color. But don't worry, it's all good, clean, damage-free fun since I'll be trying out and reviewing Curlsmith's new line of temporary hair colors. The Curlsmith hair makeup is a curl styling gel and temporary color all in one that rinses off in one wash. So the line comes with 5 different tones: ruby, gold, turquoise, copper, and rose gold. And just like the rest of Curlsmith's products, these are all curly girl friendly, paraben and sulfate free, vegan, and cruelty free. So today I'll be trying out the shade Ruby, and I'm starting off with clean hair, and the directions for application on the product mention to apply this to damp detangled hair and to use a leave-in conditioner to moisturize your hair prior, then follow up with the product. So like I said, the product is described as a gel, so this would replace your typical gel, and basically you would just apply it and style your hair the way you would with a normal gel if you're intending to color your entire hair. So just divide your hair into small to medium sections so you can make sure you color every strand. So the product does also mention to protect your clothes with a towel during application, or you can just do what I did and just put an old t-shirt on while you're styling. The hair makeup has such a bright, vibrant, and metallic tone to it. It doesn't look dull at all, as you guys can see. The texture doesn't feel waxy or oily at all, but it does feel a little thick. So personally, I would just kind of describe the texture to resemble that more of kind of like a thick styling cream rather than a gel. But wow, you guys, I just love how vibrant this color is. Like, you can really see how great the color payoff is and how I was easily able to just color my dark hair with just one application. So obviously, the more layers you apply, the more vibrant the color will be. And even though the product is a little thick like I'm describing, you can see it wasn't weighing my hair down at all, as my hair was just able to curl up and get defined after brushing it out. I will say, so since your hair is a little damp and you brush it, you do kind of brush off a bit of the colors. That's just something you can keep in mind, but you can always just apply some more of the color, which is what I did, and then just style your hair like you normally would, which today I'm going to be doing finger curls. Now I probably applied 2 to 3 layers of the color to each section. Then I just took small sections of my hair and curled them around my fingers to define my curls. If you haven't seen my detailed videos on how to do finger curls, I will link that down below. Get some great do's and don'ts on finger curling, but make sure you just check the description box below for those videos. So I just continued the same process throughout my entire head until I was done, dampening it with water, applying the Curlsmith Hold Me Softly Style Balm to moisturize my hair, which if you haven't tried that product, I love it. It's extremely moisturizing and light. Then I applied the hair makeup and I finger curled all of my hair. Then I just scrunched my curls to make sure they were really defined before diffusing them and separating without any oil for more volume. So I'm just really impressed at how well the product is able to color the dark sections of my hair. And you can see the tone that the color leaves on my copper highlights. So I also love that despite it being thick, it just doesn't weigh my hair down, and I'm actually able to finger curl my hair because y'all know I normally have to use like really light products to finger curl my hair, so that's definitely a plus. So to make the color pop more, you can go in and apply more color to areas that you feel need more color, or to get a more intense pop of color, the product does suggest applying some more once your hair dries. So once you're done styling, you may have some of the color on your skin, which you can easily just take off with a damp towel or napkin. So since the product is able to come off so easily, it says you don't have to wear any gloves, which I didn't wear. And you can see I was able to just easily wash off the color off my hands with a little bit of soap and water. But you guys comment below and let me know which is your favorite color from the line. Let me know which one you guys want to see a video with next, and let me know what style you'd like me to do. All right, beauty, so these are my finished results once they've dried completely and I've separated the curls. So I did diffuse my hair, and if you guys see Kylie in the background, she's not taking a shower. She's just playing in the bathtub. Kids, you guys, kids. So hopefully I can get through this talk through and just let you guys know what's up. But I went ahead and I diffused my hair on a medium setting, a medium heat setting, and then I just separated my curls to get a lot more volume, as you guys can see. So one thing I did notice about the hair makeup is that once it is completely dry, it does not transfer, which is awesome, and I'll show you guys what I mean. So you guys can see my hands are completely clean right now, and of course, like I said, once it is completely dry, because you guys saw what my hands were looking like when it was wet and I was styling, so it is obviously going to stain. So as you're styling your hair, you want to make sure you're wearing like an old t-shirt or something like that. You guys can see I have on a white shirt right here, so you guys can see that it does not transfer once it is 100% dry. So you guys can see my hands are dry. And if I do this, you guys can see there is nothing on my hands. And let's go ahead and look at the white t-shirt so you guys can see. All right, so I got a white t-shirt. I'm just gonna rub my hair all over it. Should be good. And you guys can see, is not staining this white shirt, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and try it with a napkin as well. Just, we want to be sure, right? So we got a white napkin right here. And we're just gonna go ahead and do this. Get nice in there. You guys can see it did not transfer, which is awesome. That is so cool. I don't know how they did that, but they did it, you guys. Yeah, so that was one of the things I really liked about the hair makeup, is that it doesn't transfer. Now, obviously, if your hair or whatever it is that you're using is a little bit wet or damp and you're like rubbing it against something, then it is going to go ahead and transfer, because again, it does wash off. After one wash, it washes off easily. So anything, if it comes in contact with water, if you're refreshing your curls or anything like that, and you're, you know, misting water, or you're using like a spray leave-in and your hair's still a little bit damp, and you want to wait for your hair to, you know, fully dry before you put on like a light colored shirt. So that's just a little FYI there for you guys. So my hair is not hard or crunchy at all. It has a lot of volume. You guys can see a lot of movement. My curls are still super bouncy. So I'm really, really impressed with this. There's like no cast at all. So initially, after I finished styling, it did have a bit of a cast, but that's, you know, normal for me because I use a lot of product. That's just like any product. Even if I were to use like a styling cream, it's gonna give me like a slight cast, but it's not like hard and crunchy. This right here, not at all, you guys, not at all. Once I started separating my curls, like it just kind of went away. It softened it up. You can break the cast very, very easily, and I'll say it's a very, very minimal cast. I will say that. So you guys can see my hair is bouncy, it's flowy. I'm really, really impressed. There's zero flaking. It's a gel. The product is not heavy at all. It looks a little bit heavy, a little thick to the touch, but you guys can see it's not weighing my hair down at all. So definitely love it. I love this stuff, you guys. I'm really impressed. I think Curlsmith did an amazing job. Definitely excited to try out some of the other colors. Let me know what color you guys want to see next, or if you just want to see a video with all the colors. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button so more people can find this video, and follow me on Instagram and Naturally Chia, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.